Hey guys, welcome to your today's daily combo.
So guys, tap on your daily combo button. We are here. So what are we doing today? To get our very first card, we're going to specials. Yes, switch to specials to look for the very first card of the combo today. That card is down there. Move a bit down, you will find that card there. We are looking for Bitcoin Pizza. Bitcoin Pizza. Yeah, that's it. Bitcoin Pizza. Okay, that is it. Okay, after that, let's go same specials we are. Let's look for Hamster YouTube channel. Where is that? No, I think it should be up somewhere up. Hamster YouTube channel. Where is it? I think it should be up. Let's go up and look for it. Yeah, Hamster YouTube channel. Yeah, that's it. Hamster YouTube channel. Let's upgrade our card. That's our second card of the combo today. I got in. So let's go and get our third card of the combo from PR and Team. Yeah, we've gotten two cards already. So the third card is under PR and Team. So we'll switch over to PR and Team and we are looking for mini game. It's actually a new card. Mini game. Oh, unfortunately, it is locked. I need to upgrade GameFi to level 17 for me to unlock this card. I need to upgrade GameFi to level 17. So I go straight to market, okay, and upgrade GameFi was in level 16. Now I've upgraded my GameFi token to level 17. So let me go back to PR and Team and see that card. Mini game. Is it unlocked? Yes, it's unlocked. I upgraded with 40,000 coins and let's see what happens. Yes, that is the third card of the combo today. Congratulations, guys. Thank you for following me. Thank you for subscribing to my channel.